Hey guys, so it is very hot here today, so I do have my fan on. Hopefully that's not too annoying in the video, but today I have got the Cures and Curses secret satchel to show you. Now if you haven't seen me open this one before, it is an English box and it's $29.95. It isn't a subscription, it's just one that you choose whether you want to go and buy monthly, and I do have a discount code for 10% off as well, which is Luna10, so I'll put that here on the screen and I'll put it down below in the description as well with their details. But we are just gonna get started. Now I wasn't able to film last weekend, so I am a bit behind. I think that this is the April box. I've not looked through this properly yet. I've seen one item in it, but the rest is a surprise, so we're going to open this together. Now it came with this green bag and it also came with this envelope, so I will open this and see what is in here. I'm going to assume it's a print. Okay. Oh, there's a couple of things. Oh, okay, so we have a little leaflet that says if you pre-order the rest of the boxes for 2021 into 2022, there is a discount. So if you order 3 or more boxes, you get a 10% discount. If you order 6 or more, you get 15%, and if you order a full year's worth or more, you get 20% discount. So that's pretty cool. They do ship internationally, by the way, for everyone else, so it's all different postage costs, but they do post worldwide. This is their little business card. I don't feel like I've had a business card from them before, but that's very pretty. And that is all of their social media accounts on there, in case anyone wants it. Again, I'll put those down below. Then we have our list of what is in the box, and it is the April one. This is a spring cleansing box, apparently. I'm not going to read off this because I'm just going to show you them, but there is that. And then there is some spring cleansing ideas on the back, so I will quickly hold this up in case you want to pause the video and see what any of these say. So that is that. Then we have our print. So this one is like a bundle of sage with some crystals around it and stuff. Like a little digital print. It's an A4 sized big one, so that's pretty cool. And then we get to the actual satchel itself. So let's have a see. Okay, I am going to leave what I think is best till last, and I will show you the other stuff. So the first thing we've got is a sage cleansing handmade soap. And it says it's used to promote wisdom and bring good luck. It builds emotional strength and may help to heal grief. So there is this. Oh, I can't open it that way. Okay, I was trying not to tear it, but okay, so this is what the soap looks like. Smells really nice, actually. Definitely different than what I was expecting. Oh, it does have other stuff in it as well. It has like ylang ylang and stuff. It smells very like spearmint to me, but there is that anyway, our handmade soap. Then next we have some Petrichor Tombstone wax melts. Petrichor. I'm not really sure what that word is, but apparently it's the smell of rain. It says that the word comes from the Greek word petra, meaning stone, and ichor, which in Greek mythology refers to the golden fluid that flows through the veins of immortals. This 100% soy wax handmade wax melt is infused with the fragrance to invoke the scent which lingers after rainfall. Okay, very interesting. Now, it does look in the packaging a little melted. It possibly is, like I said, because this room is really hot, so it might have got a little messed up, but I'm going to show you anyway. I can kind of see where they're coming from with the rain. So there is 2 in here. Like I said, they have kind of crumbled and melted a little, but there is this one, and there is also another one in there as well. So that's pretty cool. Then next we have a candle, and this is a sage cleansing candle. It's soy wax and it's got dried sage herbs in there, so it's quite a big tin. It's got like a little wood wick center. Again, smells kind of like the soap, but maybe a little more herby, but still really like a nice fresh scent though. So there is that. It's also really pretty with its like little clear lid and stuff. Then we have a bag, little burlap sack, and in here there is 2 big chunks of stone or glass. Oh, nearly dropped them. Super shiny. So it says black obsidian is one of the best crystals to protect your energy for psychic protection, clearing negative energies and banishing negative energies. It says, note, be careful, it may have some sharp edges, which it kind of does. It is quite a glass looking sort of stuff, but very pretty though. So there is those 2. Then next we have some Copal Resin Incense, or Copal Resin Incense, and it looks like this. Now on the back it says, resin is the lifeblood of the tree, healing its wounds and inflictions and protecting it against infection. In short, resin repairs, protects and heals. When burned, emits a holy smoke and beautiful fragrance that is known to clear negative energies, connect us with our higher consciousness and spiritual realms, and surround us with high vibrations. They are also used to heal, balance and protect our physical and energetic bodies. It is from East Africa and Indonesia apparently, and it has a powerful, crisp, clearing and sharp scent, which primarily is used as an incense in ancient civilizations. So that is very cool. I think I have had this once before, like some little tiny bits that they put in one of the bags once, but there is that. Then we have some white sage incense sticks. I'm not huge on incense, but that's just a personal choice. I think they're a little too smoky for my really small room, but they smell pretty good though. Again, the same kind of smell as the other things with the sage in the box. Then next we have this altar bell, which is very cute. It's got a little pentacle on the top. It's a brass hand bell. So this is what it looks like, and this is how it sounds. So it's pretty cute. We have some charcoal discs. These are used for loose incense and stuff like that. We have our sage smudging stick. So this is a big chunk of wrapped up sage. This smells amazing. It kind of smells a little different than the other sage things in the box for some odd reason, but it smells really good though. So we have one of those, and then we have one very odd item left before the main item that I've saved till the end, and that is this piece of wood. I have no idea what this is, or if it came out of something else. I've looked on the little sheet and I can't see anything about this, so I'm not sure what this is, but this might have come out of one of the other bags, like it was supposed to be with something else. I'm not too sure, but there is that anyway. And then the last big item in this box, which I think is amazing, I've never seen one of these before, is this Selenite Sword. So this is a whole big chunk of selenite crystal. It is huge. It's like a foot long. Super shiny. I'm not sure if my camera is really picking stuff up very well lately. I am going to get a new camera soon because the white balance on this one seems to have died over the years. I think I've dropped it so many times I've like messed something up inside. So I'm going to get a new one soon. But this is incredible. It's like, it reminds me of The Craft. You know, have you seen the movie The Craft? at the end when she is trying to stab people. This is kind of the same shape as that knife that she's holding, so I think it is really, really cool. Very heavy, like this is a good few pounds. Amazing. So that was everything in the Cures and Curses secret satchel for April, so I will get it all together again and show you it all at once. So there was the big print. I'm not going to keep holding this because I don't want to crease it, but there was the Sage print, the Sage cleansing handmade soap, the Tombstone wax melts, the White Sage incense sticks, the brass altar bell, the 2 chunks of black obsidian, the Copal or Copal resin, the charcoal discs, the Sage smudging stick, the Sage cleansing candle, and the big Selenite sword. So all of these items, along with the print as well, in the Cures and Curses secret satchel for April. I thought this was an amazing one. That Selenite sword is so cool. I'm gonna have to find somewhere to put that. I will put all the info down below for them in case you want to go and check them out. Also, the discount code is down there too in case you want a little bit of money off. But yeah, I hope you really liked this video. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.